You keep telling yourself you'll get your life together someday. Maybe you even said it this morning. Next Monday, next month. When things calm down, then I'll finally get serious. But here's the brutal truth you've been avoiding. Someday isn't coming. There's no magical Monday that's going to save you. No lightning bolt of motivation that's suddenly going to fix everything. Every time you whisper, I'll start tomorrow, you're not just putting things off. You're training yourself to stay stuck. And the longer you do it, the more that pattern cements. But here's the reality. Just 21 days, 3 weeks of ruthless, relentless focus can burn that script to the ground and write a new one. It's not going to be easy. It's not supposed to be. It will sting, it will feel awkward, and you will want to quit. But if you stick to it, 21 days can change the trajectory of your life. Week 1 is scorched earth. This is where you strip everything down, the distractions, the comfort traps, the excuses. Delete the apps that are stealing your time, the ones you open just for 5 minutes and lose hours to. Purge your environment. If your desk is cluttered, your mind will be too. If your kitchen is full of junk food, your body will keep feeling heavy. And then rip out one toxic routine you've been excusing for far too long. You know which one. The nightly Netflix binge that steals your sleep. The endless scrolling that fries your brain. The I'll do it tomorrow loop that keeps you stagnant. Week 1 will hurt, but that pain is proof you're cutting deep enough. Week 2 is about filling the void. When you strip away the junk, you create space. And if you don't fill that space with purpose, the old habits will come crawling back. This is when you install new rituals. 5 minutes of cold exposure every morning to teach your brain that you can do hard things. 10 minutes of reading to feed your mind instead of draining it. And a daily phone-free walk to reclaim your thoughts. It'll feel uncomfortable at first, but slowly you'll notice your mind clearing. Your focus sharpening, your own voice getting louder. Week 3 is where you turn up the pressure. This is where you hold yourself accountable, because nothing sticks without accountability. Every morning, write down one failure from the day before, something you skipped, avoided, or didn't do right, and write the lesson it taught you. Then every night, text someone you trust and ask, did I own my day? Just those 5 words. It'll feel awkward at first, maybe even embarrassing, but that discomfort is what forces you to show up differently. By day 21, everything shifts. Your mornings feel lighter. Your excuses feel weaker. The habits you thought you'd never break, gone, replaced by the ones you built. This isn't a gimmick or a feel-good challenge. It's a battle plan. 3 weeks of discomfort to destroy the version of you that keeps waiting and create the version of you that finally shows up. And here's the hardest truth. No one is coming to save you. Not a coach, not a guru, not a course, not even this video. It's you, always has been. But if you commit, if you burn it all down in week 1, rebuild in week 2, and hold yourself brutally accountable in week 3. 3 weeks from now, you won't just feel different. You'll be different. You'll look back and barely recognize the person you were. So here's your choice. Keep waiting for someday, or use the next 21 days to change everything. Your 21 days start now.